Play me some of that suicide pimpin', man. Suicide pimpin', man.
Oh, drop the shit.
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why do you nigga capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these rappers' cars? Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why do you nigga capping so hard? Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Young Savage, why you trapping so hard?
What's going on, guys? It's Alec, aka Python Down, back with another video on the Project BMW, of course. Today we are going to be installing studs, a stud conversion kit on the hubs, as well as some spacers. So yeah, it should be pretty fun, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Fingers crossed. Yeah, let's get to it. There she is, boys. The green beam. Look at those headlights. Shit's clean as hell. What we're gonna need to do this job, pretty straightforward. Your spacers, obviously. I got 13 mil for the rears and 3 mil for the front, because weirdly enough, you guys will be able to see in the before and afters, but it looks like the fronts are like sticking out further than the rear. I don't know if you guys can tell there, but it's pretty weird. I don't know what's up with that, but anyways, I think I'll have more space in the rear. The fronts actually stick out quite a bit. So 13 mil in the rear, 3 in the front. A wire brush to clean up the hubs, some anti-seize with like an application tool. I don't have the jar with the brush. Some blue thread lock for the studs, and then the studs themselves with the new nuts. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this green beam looking more aggressive with some spacer action.
Slayer.
First thing we're gonna be doing is breaking these lugs. Lug nuts loose. Best part. Like that. These are gross as fuck. I've always wanted to do this, take off my wheels and just really get them clean. I will be replacing these eventually, but for now we can clean them up. Good time to inspect the wheels too, the rims, any cracks or anything like that, just in case you are bleeding air out of the tires, could be an issue. But let's clean these guys up and then we'll go back to the studs. But now I'm gonna hit it with some water, clean this up. This should do. I haven't had these cleaned in a while. Now that I got new brake pads on with a lot less dust, these are gonna stay cleaner for a lot longer, so. All right, guys, I already did every other wheel. I'm gonna do this one for you guys just so you can see it, kind of the process. First thing I'm doing is just taking a wire brush Just running it across the top here to clear the debris. Then I'm gonna apply my anti-seize and then the studs. I'm gonna hit it real quick with some brake clean. And this brake clean stuff is so strong it eats through the paint on the floor of this garage. So luckily it dries quickly, but just give the hub a good wipe down here. So I got my anti-seize here, my little butter knife. Work it around. I don't know. So I got the studs here. Take out your blue thread lock. This stuff comes out really easily, so just be gentle with it. You don't need a lot. It's probably more than I need. This guy's in there. And I'm excited as for what these spacers are gonna look like. Hopefully they look dope. I think they will. Now we're gonna tighten this down. 5mm Allen tip with an adapter on the torque wrench here. 25 foot-pounds. Just be gentle because you can round the tip. Just make sure this Allen bit is as straight as it can be when it's going in there. Because this is the front, I'm going to need a counter, and just get a counter hold here. That way, as you push down on this to tighten, you're pushing in the opposite direction. Done. There's like a little lip here. It's kind of shaved down. Just want to slide this guy on. Just like that, boys. Little 3mm. 3mm spacer. But the front was already pretty wide enough, so I'm gonna do that to the other side and the rear. Back here we got the meaty boys. The fuck. I hope these fit. Shit. I hope this socket is deep enough. It should be. Oh shit, guys, it's about that time. Fuck. If you guys can see the rears there, I'm freaking out. But there should be some camber as it comes in, so let's see what it do, boys. Let's see what it do. Lift. Lift. All right. Tuck, boy. Ooh. Shit. Oh, shit. Will it tuck? Fuck. If it does, this shit's gonna look so mean. Ooh, I don't know. It looks so fucking hard though. Peep those fronts with the studs, yo. But the back. Does it? I still got clearance. Yo, that is just flush. That's crazy. Let me pull it out of here. Let me wash my hands and see how this looks. I'm gonna run it through the wash. I'm gonna drive it first. Let's drive it and see if it rubs at all. Well, there you have it, guys. That pretty much wraps up today's video. The studs and spacers came out, I think, fucking absolutely money. I'm super happy with it. These ended up settling a lot lower than I expected, and I could barely get my finger in there, so I do get a little rubbing on this side specifically, weirdly enough, but I think they just look so great. I mean, 12mm in the rear and 3mm up front, because the front already kind of stuck out quite a bit. But if you guys remember the before and after shots, I mean, this angle really like does it. The rears really do it for me. They fill out the fenders like perfectly. So got the angel eyes in as well. Those look great. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. I got sway bars coming next, so hopefully helping with that horizontal movement and the rubbing and stuff. But stay tuned for that. That's next video. Yeah, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Guys, I gotta make a video of this place just because I'm here in Miami right now. You guys gotta come here. This is crazy. Look what's in front of me. XJR 15 Diablo VT Roadster. Look at this. Look at this thing. LMR V12 in this thing. SC30. Check this out. Navy blue over yellow, and there's an Enzo over there. F40 over there. Murcielago. Lambo on a lift. SLS. RGT. Purple SC30 Jota. F40. Look at this shit. Yo, that Lambo right there. Right behind an F40.